Guess who's 40 minutes late? Kwa nini yule ananiangalia hivyo? Hadi mimi najipelekanga once. Ati? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Emma and karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and I missed you so much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly please subscribe, and also I'd appreciate if you give me a huge thumbs up. Welcome to my weekly vlog, and I hope that you will enjoy it. So let's get the week started. Hi guys, it's Monday and I am looking forward to visit my friend, and yeah, she lives a bit far from I do, so I decided to go after school, and I passed by the supermarket to get her some snacks and some home foods. You know, you can't go to someone's place without something, and if you do that, by the way, shame on you. And also, don't let your visitors stay hungry. Meskia? Yes. So yeah, I was picking her best snacks for her. She requested for those, and I secured my bag, and let's get going. So I was not able to film a lot of the first day, that is Monday. So this is just the second day, and it's on Tuesday. I got up, I was tired na nilikuwa nimetoka kulala. Hey! So got up, got ready for school, and my hair was looking so bad. I wanted to do something because I had a shoot coming in later during the week. On the last day of the vlog, you'll see it. And so I made some breakfast, that is some potatoes, some pan-fried potatoes with loaded with ham, or is it called prawn, and some sausages.
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
Hi guys, I'm here in my studio and I want to clean up this place. Nimeingia karibu ni faint because but nakaa sijui aje. Hadi client akikuja saa hii hadi nashangaa watashangaa mimi ni aina gani. Just look at this dirt. Look at that. Look at that. Surely, Emma, you can do better. You know that. Anyway, kujitetea sijakuwa around. I've been busy. So let's clean this place up before I do my nails and take a peep of that. Nakaa aje kama mtu anazanga makaa. Kai. Let's do this. So I cleaned up my studio. I usually like to disinfect the place because I'm dealing with nails and hair and skin. So I like to disinfect every bit of this place and wash it with soap and water. And if you didn't know, I make artificial locks. Please support my business. I do make nails and artificial locks. Please support me by that number. Call me, text me, do anything. And yes, I made my nails. I'll show you later details in another vlog that I'm gonna do. And yeah. So on to Thursday, I missed a day there, I know. I decided to go to town and Kibera to do some errands because I was required to go there. Nilitatishwa by the kitu. And this day was my worst. Hii wiki yote. Nilikuwa na experience mbaya with loafer travelers, wherever. Don't ever, and I repeat, don't ever panda those buses. Usiboard hizo loafers. Let me switch this side to this side. Ooh. Happy Friday. Hi guys, how you doing? Happy Friday to you. How you doing? I hope you're nice. Yesterday niliacha video nikirant. I was so pissed off and I had to rant. So it's on Friday and I'm getting ready to go to school. And yeah, so I want to prepare something small to eat before I go. Juu nitakaa shule kiasi. Sitaki kukaa na njaa. No. So yeah, and also I prepared my hair yesterday. As you can see, it makes it easier when it's time for plaiting. And yeah, I did twist outs. Nilifanya tunaitwa tuck outs, but instead of me just braiding all the way to the end, I just braided up to here, then twisted it out. If I was not going for a shoot tomorrow, ningekaa hivi, I promise. But because I'm going for a shoot tomorrow, I've decided to do braids, but big sized braids. And yeah, so I prepared my hair yesterday at night, and it didn't take a long time like last time. I think nikuzoea. Yeah. So how are you doing? Welcome to Friday. This is the second last day of the vlog. Inisha kesho. And yeah, let me make breakfast and lunch. It's a pretty much heavy meal because I'll be spending the day at school. And I have acidity issues, so I'd not like poleni for the noise. Tunaka kwa barabara. Okay, I said that I don't like to stay hungry due to acidity issues. It really makes me have stomach pains. So yeah, I'm making something to eat. Yani ni food ya jana, ya supper. I'm just warming it up and eating. And yeah, that's it. Then I go to school, then come back later in the evening and do my braids. Si mingi, so azitachukua a long time kushuka. poleni hakuna space hapa. So it's not like they're not that much, and I am like in improvement. The last beads I had on, the patterns are not as clean as these ones, and it's because I'm rusty. Like, it's a long time, it's been like years since I did my hair again. I normally like just do styling, you know, and I saw that my hair was breaking. Unaona, like unavuta tu hivi inatokana. Unaona? You can see that. Navuta inatoka. My mom is complaining that mimi nimejaa nywele, but hata nishukie wapi akishua. Anyway, let me make breakfast, then I'll come back later in the evening. I'll show you snippets of what I do at school. No. Yeah, so let's get going. Hi, how you doing? It's currently 6. It's 6 or 8 in the evening, and yeah, then the last thing I will do before the night ends, or before the evening or the day actually ends, is I will arrange my clothes for the shoot tomorrow. And yeah, I will look very pretty. I hope that if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, if you're a returning subscriber, please give me a huge like, and I'm so sorry for that. Unasikia kelele? I'm sorry for that. Sijui nani huyo. But anyway, subscribe, like this video, share the tweet with a friend, copy link and post it for me, please. Oh my god. And finally, comment something down below. Show me some love, like send some love hearts or something down below. I'll be very, very, very much honored. And yeah, so I think we are gonna see each other tomorrow during the time of the shoot. I'll be doing the shoot very early in the morning because I have somewhere to be at in the evening. So yeah, okay, yeah, let's see each other tomorrow. Bye. Hello. Oh my god, nimetoka kuamka saa. Oh jeez, imagine it was bakisha tu kidogo tu ni oversleep. Oh my. Good morning, how was your night? It's Saturday, and yeah, let me get ready for my photo shoot. It's currently 7:31, and I'm supposed to meet with that person at 8:30. So I'm supposed to be ready by then, and I can't overslept. Ni Mungu ameniamsha, imagine. Ningelala niamke kesho. No baadaye. So yeah, I just quick alarm. Jesus. So yeah, I don't even have time to show you what I'm doing, but I will tell her like you too. So let me just get ready and we go. Guess who's late? Guess who's 40 minutes late? Anyway, it's me. I'm 40 minutes late, but my photographer is later. Anyway, niko hapa, my makeup is done. I didn't do a very huge makeup face beads, just a very simple thing. Yeah, so let's get started. My first outfit for the day. Outfit change. And mbona ni Saturday na kuna watu wengi hivi ka? Frights. Rich auntie. Hey, na nani? Unajipeleka out kupea mwili shukrani. Yeah, hadi mimi najipelekanga once.
Into masturbation.
Ati?
Uko na D?
Ebu meaning like
taking yourself.
Oh, it's a name that ina exist. Oh, now I know.
Nangi mtu anafanya wheel of pelekana out kununua vitu and all that. So kifanya mwenyewe.
Ala. Okay. Interesting. New words. So guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please also give me a like so that I can get recommended to other viewers on YouTube. Woo! Damn. I'm back home. I'm so tired. Oh, I just want to rest. I want to take a cold shower and relax. But anyway, the day was a success and I'm happy because of that. So I want us to see each other next time. Same place kama kawaida. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please please subscribe, please. Give me a huge thumbs up and also please copy link and share with your friends. And we will see each other next time, same place kama kawaida, as I'm here to give you something new and to entertain you. Anyway, nimeanza kupractice kufanya vlogs sasa, but next I'll be going back to tutorials. Nitakuwa na collab. No. So, I love you so much and kisses. Bye. Mwah.